So, what is transmission modes? It is a way in which data is transmitted from one device to another. You can also say that these are communication modes. So we have three types of transmission modes. One is simplex mode, and second one is half duplex mode. Third one is full duplex mode. So what is simplex mode? So it is the simplest mode of communication which is unidirectional. Means the data flow in one direction only. In this, one device can send the data but can't receive that data, or the device which is acting as a receiver can't send the data. For example, keyboard and monitor. Keyboard can send the data to monitor and monitor can receive the data. So what is the advantage of simplex mode? The main advantage of simplex mode is the full capacity of the communication channel can be utilized during transmission. So disadvantage क्या है? It has no intercommunication between devices. Now next is half duplex mode. So in half duplex channel or mode, direction can be reversed. Means both the station can transmit and receive the data. For example, at a time, one device acts as a sender, but another time that sender may act as a receiver. So in this mode, the bandwidth of the communication channel is utilized in one direction at a time. For example, walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie is an example of half duplex mode. In this, when one party speaks, then another party listen. After a pause, the second party can reply to the first party. Advantages: both the devices can send and receive the data and also utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel during transmission of data. Now last is full duplex mode. So in full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional, means the data flow in both directions at a time. Both the station can send and receive the messages simultaneously. It has two simplex channels, means one channel has traffic moving in one direction and the another channel has traffic flowing in the opposite directions. So the full duplex mode is fastest mode of communication between devices. The common example of full duplex is telephone network. When two people are communicating with each other via telephone line, both can talk and listen at the same time. So in this, both the stations can send and receive the data at that time. Disadvantages क्या है? There is no dedicated path exists between the devices. The capacity of the communication channel is divided into two parts. So difference between simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So simplex mode, simply the communication is unidirectional. Half duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional but at a time. In full duplex mode, the communication is a bidirectional. So what about send and receive? In simplex mode, a device can only send the data but can't receive it, or vice versa. But in half duplex mode, both the devices can send and receive data, but one at a time. I mean, both can act as sender or both can act as a receiver.